Just a bit more of an update on the work I've done since I last posted a video. Continuing the strip down of the engine bay. Most of the wiring now has come out. I'm going to be removing the wiring loom from inside the dash and pulling everything back out so I can clear up the engine bay a bit further. I've also taken the headlamp pods out, and you can see it's a bit mucky down there. People that did the respray obviously didn't tidy up and repaint the engine bay, so it's a bit messy down there, and all that's got to be tidied up. And the same in the other one. I've also had to remove the glove box so I can get to where the dash loom attaches to the engine bay loom. So the glove box has been removed. It's the original glove box, as I would expect. It's 8228, which is the chassis number, and I presume that's the initials of the person that fitted it. Now the glove box should be attached. Oops, that's a bit dark in there. The glove box is not in the best of shapes. Someone's taken it out once before, and instead of using screws to refit it, they've actually used pop rivets, which was a bit of a pain to get out. But there we are. It all adds to the fun. Okay, glove box, as you've seen, has been removed, so now I can get access to the wiring loom. So I can disconnect the engine bay harness and pull it through. So hopefully it's going to be fairly straightforward with no problems. So here goes. Right, wiring loom's been disconnected, so that proved to be a relatively painless operation. 3/4 of an hour. Add on half an hour for removing the gearbox, the glove box. And we're making progress. And there it is. Engine bay wiring loom finally removed. As I said before, not such a bad job really.